You've probably already clicked off your heater and you did it weeks ago. I know I did with the warmer weather we've been having, but turning it back on doesn't have to break the bank. There are some ways to save on electric today and this weekend, starting with cleaning or replacing the air filter on your furnace. If you're concerned about your pipes freezing, open up those sink cabinets so that the air heating your home can reach them too. Set your thermostat as low as comfortable. Grab a blanket and bundle up indoors if you are okay with that. Springs Utilities also recommends opening drapes on south-facing windows. That allows the sun to provide some extra heating during the day.